thought about adding layers, but I didn't do it this time.
I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having.
So this is actually my first time working with Klaiyi Hair. They sent me over a 24-inch 13x4 water wave unit. I already plucked in everything off camera and bleached the knots. So I'm coming in to you guys at the point of tinting the lace. I'm using my Don't Touch My Hair lace tint like I usually do. And I am tinting that lace up just a little bit because it was already brownish, but I needed it just a little bit more brown for my skin tone. So the unit is 150% density, which I like when it comes to curlier units. And a round of applause for my pluck job. Like, I really went in for that. Kudos to me. I do have a few start to finish tutorials. If you want to see how I do every single little detail, like plucking my wigs, I'll link those down in my description box. I'm pressing the hair with the hot comb around the edges just to push it back out of my way. So when I'm ready to start, putting it down, it won't be, well, in my way. And then also it kind of helps to separate the baby hairs from the hair that you don't want for baby hair. I noticed the fit of this wig is like super amazing on the frontal. Pretty much my entire edges were covered. I didn't have any issues with like pulling this up as far as I needed to. I did have just like a speck of hair out towards the end, but like this was really, really good for what I usually get. So once I move the hair out of my way, I'm ready to go ahead and start installing this wig. I ended up deciding to do the second layer over the wig because I just like how flat it gets my roots when it's all said and done. They also did a really good job with this hairline. Even though I did have to pluck it, just the shape of what they give you, it wasn't like a straight across super wiggy hairline. It had a lot of like, the dips and grooves in it. So that way it looked a lot more natural, so I didn't have as much work to do. So now that all that's said and done, I'm ready to put the elastic band on my edges, obviously, and then I'm just going to take my hair down and start putting my part together and situating the hair for the style. Let me tell y'all something. If you don't have a wax stick, you need to get one. It's been a lifesaver with my wigs and blending my weave out with the U parts I've been doing lately too. Like, a wax stick is really a game changer. It's really the secret to getting a flat laying, fresh out the salon wig install at home. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Little hairspray at the top so it stays nice and flat like I got it. This unit actually did not have a whole lot of flyaways at all. I honestly didn't even notice any, so that's great. And y'all, look at this. This lace melted beautifully. You can't even say this is a wig. This looks like my hairline. So for my baby hair, y'all know I don't really go too extra with the baby hair, so I just did my 2 little swoops. I actually meant to use the curling, not the curling iron. I meant to use my flat iron to curl the baby hairs real quick, but I totally forgot, but it's fine because it's curlier hair, so it still worked just fine. If you're gonna use foam with your baby hairs like I'm doing, you definitely wanna make sure you move quick because that foam will make your lace start to lift because it's a wet product. Is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love how water wave always looks like it's really full, but it's actually super light on your head. It's honestly one of the most beginner friendly lace frontals you can try because it really takes nothing to style. A lot of tighter curly units, they're harder to style to me because like you have to do a whole lot more to tame the curls, whereas this is just kind of like little water, little you know, foam or something, you're good. I thought about adding layers, but I didn't do it this time. I left it as is, but it actually has some like long layers in it. This is all the hair pulled to the front, so if you were to have some of the hair pulled to the back, it would kind of give you more of this. It still looks good to me. I like it. I know it'd be feeling like water wave is like the texture for like summer and stuff like that, but I still feel like it's good for fall. Like it's still cute to me. Water wave is really just a texture you can't go wrong with. So if you're interested in this unit, of course I will have all the details linked down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.